I've been drinking all this lean, I know I need to stop. Hopping out of stolen cars and we shoot chops and ops.
I ain't getting to sleep because of y'all. You ain't getting to sleep because of me. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can read from the title today, I'm about to review the Yeezy Foam Runner MXT Moon Gray. I'm excited. I've been waiting for this for like a week now. I ordered it off of Go. It was like $400. Not review it. Unboxing. I'm gonna be unboxing the Foam Runners by Yeezy. I ordered it off of Go. It was like $460 something. But honestly, I've been wanting these for a long time, and I hope they fit. It's like I'm using a fork because I almost broke my nail trying to open it with it. So I'm in my kitchen because it has a better light. Bear with me. But oh, I did a new thing. If you haven't yet, go watch me getting it done. But if it opened, it would be great. So that's how it's opening. I don't need a fork no more. Ooh. Ooh. So it comes with this paper. And the shipment, it was apparently like delayed in Alaska, and which makes sense because it's COVID and things get delayed, you know what I mean? So I'm not really like upset about it. But I was just more of like, somebody stole my router box from my apartment, and I was more scared because they weren't really updating me on like when it's gonna arrive, and I was scared I'm gonna get here and somebody take it. So that's the only thing I was like worried about. But I just got here and I looked at my phone and it says delivered, so perfect. So it comes in like a plain box, like you wouldn't think it's from Yeezy, anything like that. I got mine in a size, if you can see, I got mine in a size 6. I'm a 7 in women's, which is a 5.5 in men's, but Yeezy, for this one they don't do halves. So I just went a size up because I can always either grow into them, but I can't, like, my feet can't get smaller. So this is how they look like. Like, they smell really foamy. And honestly, there's places that like had it for cheaper, but I trust Go. I feel like if I'm gonna pay $200 for something that could be fake, I might as well pay $200 more and get like something that I know is authentic. But honestly, they're looking kind of big. They're llking kind of big. So I'm about to try them on. Let me take this lower and see. But this is how they look like, and honestly, I got a skinny ass leg and it looks really anally, but I like it, you know what I mean? It's super duper comfy. It's comfy as hell. It's really comfy. That is it for my unboxing. If I take more videos with me wearing it before I upload it, I'm gonna insert it in like actual live. But you guys, let me know what you think about the color in the comments down below. Make sure you like, subscribe. For the review for the size, it is big. It's big. But if you wear socks with it, it's like, it's gonna feel enough. I don't think I'll be wearing socks with these, so I probably should have gotten like the 5, but you know, I'm glad I got a 6. It's like, I'm happy I got a 6, but you could still tell there's room that I'm like a 5.5 to fit perfectly, especially without socks. But if I decide to wear it in this with socks, it's gonna fit perfectly. Like I said, let me know what you guys think about my color, the color that I chose. What color would you have picked? And make sure you like, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.